Hi, my name is George at paintreproductions.com. I'd like to welcome you to the Hay Wain reproduction by John Constable. I'm very excited about this reproduction. I've been wanting to do this for a few years now. This is an exciting work. It's definitely a masterpiece. It's the English countryside. It's where he grew up. What we're going to find here is we're going to have a pretty nice detailed oil painting sketch. Again, a sketch is this where I mix burnt umber with Gamsol, and the only time you actually do that is in the oil painting sketch, because this is not considered really an underpainting. It's just a sketch, just like if you were doing it in pencil. The difference is when you're doing it in paint, you get more of a free-flowing as opposed to a paint by numbers kind of feel. So I'm going to be working on this initial sketch. It's going to take a few videos. We'll probably do a little more detailing on it. Then it's a very direct painting. Okay, Constable was very direct. Heavy use of paint where needed, a lot of detail, but a lot of free flowing. So he was an excellent artist. He incorporates a lot of the techniques. These techniques will go a long way in learning. These techniques will go a long way in improving your own abilities as a painter. But if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. I'm learning his technique as I go along with this video. So please, if you have any questions or anything, just post in the video and I'll be more than happy to help in the comment section. And again, if you haven't subscribed, if you could hit that subscribe button, it's free, it doesn't cost anything, and you can hit the notification if you want to be notified as videos are being released. Again, we add videos and projects all the time. You can visit us at paintreproductions.com and you can actually take it like a course if you want. There's no cost, there's no thing to enroll, and when you do it as a course, it'll actually track where you are in your time and where you are and what course you left off and things like that. Or you can just preview the course at paintreproductions.com. If you like the video, it's great. If you hit the like button, if you don't, that's fine. And just, let me know. If you have any questions, especially about the making of the video, as to why, like most of the time it's music playing and I don't narrate very much, things like that, just let me know. And again, look for the tutorial links on the top, which are the narrated tutorial versions of how I'm doing specific things. And if you're curious about anything from the setup to how I'm doing this or how I'm doing that, because you can't find a tutorial on it, just let me know. I'll be happy to let you know, and maybe we'll turn it into a tutorial. Again, my name is George Werbacher at paintreproductions.com. I'd like to welcome you to the Hay Wain reproduction by John Constable.